guys, I have a very easy tutorial for you today, and it's this simple knotted ponytail with really soft waves. Now, this hairstyle can also be worn really casual and beachy, but with the holidays coming up, I thought this hairstyle would be perfect, especially for a work party or family event. Imagine showing up with this hairstyle. You'd be the only one there with it, and you'd be the only one who knew how easy it actually was to create. And a big shout out to Conair for partnering with me for this video. You guys are going to love this new hair tool. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so starting off, I just roughly blow dried my hair. It's nice and clean, but I do want to create like a soft romantic look. So I am going to add some curls using Conair's new 2-in-1 stainless steel styler. The ceramic plates only take 30 seconds to heat up, and they go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the outer stainless steel barrel heats up to 265 degrees. Now, the reason why the outer barrel heats up as well is because this is a multitasking tool. You can curl your hair, you can straighten your hair, which I thought you guys would love because it'd be perfect for traveling. That way you only have to bring one hair tool and you'll have more room for all of the clothes that you're not going to wear. Now, there are 5 heat settings. I'm going to set it to 355 degrees. To make things easier, I'm going to divide my hair into 2 sections. So all of the hair that's above my temples, I'm just going to clip out of the way for now. Okay, for this hairstyle, I want all of the hair that's above my chin to be smooth. So I'm going to straighten to my chin, and then I'm going to curl all of the rest of my hair away from my face. That way the hair at the bottom of my ponytail has a really nice wave to it. To use this tool, it's easy. Hold it in your dominant hand and place your hair in between the clamps where you want your curl to start. And then slowly twist the styler 1 full turn away from your face, and this will wrap the hair around that heated barrel, and then you just want to slowly slide your hair through. I like to place my fingers on those 2 removable silicone tips at the end. I find that this gives me the most control. Once I've curled my section, I like to just give it a little bit of twist, and I like to let it cool and set on my shoulder. I love that these plates are extra long. It just makes it so much easier to curl, especially when you have longer hair, and they are 1 1/8 inch wide, which is going to give you a nice defined curl. So I'm going to take my top layer down and keep those straight pieces behind my shoulders, and then continue those same steps. So straighten down to your chin and then curl away from your face and just let it cool. My biggest tip when it comes to curling your hair like this is always keep your styler moving and take your time and work in smaller sections. Oh, and for those of you asking how I curl my bangs, it's super easy. I start right at the root and I just curl them away from my face. If you don't get it right away, keep practicing. I promise you'll get it, and you can always practice with the styler turned off. That way you don't have to worry about excessive heat on your hair. And then once my curls are cooled, I'm just going to make my hand into a claw, and I'm just going to brush them out, soften them, because I want to achieve more of a wave than having a uniform curl. I can't get over how quick that was, but now that my hair is prepped, let's turn around and begin knotting. First step, part your hair as normal and just throw it all behind your shoulders. Next, gather the hair that's above your temples on both sides of your head. So now you should have 2 equal-sized sections that look similar to this. We're going to tie these around one another, so bring that right section over the left, and then bring that left up and pull it through that hole. So this is actually the same step as the first step of tying your shoe. Pull it tightly, but not too tight, and you want the knot to sit right at the base of your head. Now we're going to French knot. It's simple. So gather all of the hair that's above your ears on the side of your head, and you just want to make sure it's completely sectioned off to prevent tangles. Then join it into that right section. And then repeat the same steps on the left side. Gather all of that hair that's above your ear on the left side of your head, and remember to completely section it off and then join it into that left section. Now, you should only have 2 separate sections, and again, you want to tie these together. So bring that right section over the left, and then bring that left section up and pull it through. And remember to pull it tight, but not too tight. I'm going to repeat this one more time. This time, gathering all of the remaining hair at the nape of my neck and just dividing it into 2 equal-sized sections and joining them into our previous 2 sections. And again, just tie these 2 sections around one another. So bring that right section over the left section and then bring that left section up and pull it through. Feel free to continue this pattern all the way down your ponytail. It would look so cool, but lately I've really been loving half braids. Then secure it off with a small clear hair elastic and feel free to pull on your knots if you want them to appear even larger. So there we have you guys. That's how easy it is to recreate this knotted ponytail. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful. I'd love to know where you would wear this hairstyle, and if you do end up recreating it, don't forget to share with me on social media. And as always, I will list all of the product information for the Conair Infinity Pro if you're interested in the description down below. But thank you again so much for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.